Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at once again the print job sample, and this time we'll be looking at your printer preferences, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back to the program here. So now I'm just going to head back to our little print report icon or feature, and then we're going to look at our next thing on the list. So now next up, we're going to be looking at the print preferences, which will be this little icon here right next to the print to file, which we just covered. Now the print preferences, this is going to vary depending on the type of print or printer type you've got set up here. Select it. So if I've got, let's say, print to PDF, and we go preferences, then you will find we only have two, or should I say, yeah, so about two options. So we've got landscape or portrait. Now most of these are going to have this no matter which one you choose. So landscape, in many ways, the way this background sample is laid out, it is wider than taller, so then you would want to go on a landscape. So I'll try fill the A4 more on a wide layout, so that means you get more information at a larger scale. Where if we had to put that one on a portrait, it's going to try fit this whole block into here, which means it's going to try fit the width of the block, so we're going to have a much smaller block for our information. Where obviously if this sample we wanted to print was taller, then we want to switch it to portrait, so it can do it according to that. But a lot of times this will be auto calculated. The programs are quite smart these days, where if it's portrait or landscape, it'll try adjust it for you. We also have advanced settings here, which I would recommend just leave this at default. You can custom set the output and so forth, but I would say leave that as is. Now if we had to go something to like fax, when we go preferences, you will see we have different options now. Now we've got the paper size, so we've got letter, so you can set up here exact size you want. There's the A4, got image quality, but this obviously keep in mind for faxing. So we've got the normal 200 by 200 DPI, then we've got 200 by 100. It's more like a draft version, and then we also have the orientation like I mentioned previously. So we've got here the portrait and landscape. Now if you had to go on an actual printer that's going to be printing files, you might also get an option for black and white, and so you can go color, black and white, and so forth. But yeah, so that is pretty much where you're going to be seeing your preferences. So if you're looking for anything specific, you can always try, once you have your printer selected, go to preferences and look if the option is there. So for instance, like I said, if you want to go black and white, or if let's say it's printing in black and white, you want to go color, it might be able to be adjusted there. Sometimes though you have to adjust that on your printer itself, but in most cases you can just go to the preferences and then set that. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the preferences for your printers. If we go here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.